This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Paste. So this is what it looks like. It's just this weird paste. And let's show you guys the effects and how well this cleans. Look at this sink. Look how disgusting this is. Well, let's go ahead and put this stuff to the test. All right. Let's see, that's probably gonna be about good enough for this tough job here. So you just take a little bit. Now I use something like this, a little Brillo pad. And we're just gonna rub this in here in our cleaning pad. Take another piece, rub that in. And now we're just going to scrub. Have a little water, and you can use a little Dawn soap if you want, just to help intensify it. You guys ready for this? Y'all ready for the reveal? All right. Y'all ready? All right, let me hold the camera better for you guys here. All right. Continue scrubbing while you got your fresh water running. All right, let's show you the difference here. Now hopefully you can see how much shinier it is and cleaned up just by quickly doing that.